The Copilot Consolidation. Microsoft is quietly dismantling its fragmented Copilot app ecosystem. On the July 2026 earnings call, Satya Nadella confirmed that chat, code, cowork, and autopilots are all being collapsed into a single super app. It looks like a simple user interface cleanup to stop app fatigue. It isn't. This consolidation is a forced architectural migration to solve a massive security vulnerability with autonomous AI agents. Fixing the agent identity. When an AI merely summarizes a document, it doesn't need high-level security clearance. But as copilots evolved into autonomous agents executing workflows across corporate networks, they broke the existing security model. Before July, many Copilot Studio agents ran on generic, platform-managed service principles. If an agent did something wrong, the audit log just showed a nameless service account. Microsoft is entirely scrapping this. Now, every agent must be registered through Microsoft Entra Agent ID. The AI itself gets a specific employee-like identity, complete with conditional access policies and lifecycle management. But giving an AI its own identity requires a totally different environment to manage it. The cost of governance. This shift to Entra is why the standalone Copilot apps had to die. You cannot maintain enterprise-grade zero-trust security if agents are scattered across a dozen different client interfaces. By forcing everything into one super app, governed by the new Agent 365 framework, Microsoft regains absolute visibility. The trade-off is friction. Developers who build agents under the old app registration model now face a hard mandate. They must recreate them manually with Entra Agent IDs and deprecate the legacy versions. The days of spinning up a quick, ungoverned Copilot script are over, and this strict new governance layer reveals exactly what Microsoft is preparing for. The signal under the noise. The move to a single super app and the mandatory Entra Agent ID integration point to a specific thesis. AI is no longer a software feature, it is a synthetic workforce. Microsoft is abandoning the decentralized tool approach because tools do not need human-level governance. By assigning discrete identities to agents and corralling them into a single managed portal, they are building an operating system for digital employees. For enterprise IT, this changes the entire security posture. You are no longer managing user access to an AI. You are managing the AI's access to your network. For builders, it means the era of lightweight integrations is closing. If you want your agent to interact with Microsoft's ecosystem, you have to build it with enterprise-grade compliance from day one. The metric to watch now is how quickly competitors like Google Cloud replicate this identity-first architecture for Gemini agents over the next 2 quarters. Subscribe for more.